In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GetResponse form page and connect it to your WordPress site. This process is perfect for those looking to seamlessly gather new subscribers and improve website engagement. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we begin by creating a form in GetResponse. To do this, log into your GetResponse account. Once in, navigate to the Tools section and select Forms and Pop-ups. This is where you'll find all the options you need to create your form. Click on Create Form to get started. Here, you'll have a choice. You can either use a pre-designed template with Stencility, which is a great option if you want something quick and polished, or you can build your own form from scratch if you like, having more control over the design. Once you've made your choice, it's time to customize your form. This is where you can really make it your own. Adjust form fields, such as name and email, to ensure you're capturing the information you need. You can also play around with colors and fonts to match your brand aesthetic. Don't forget the Submit button text. Make it clear and inviting. Remember, you want to encourage people to click it. After you've tailored your form to perfection, choose the contact list where new subscribers will be added. This is crucial because it determines where all your collected information will go. When you're happy with everything, click Save and Publish. The next step is to copy the embed code. Once your form is published, you'll need to select the option that says Embed on your website. This will provide you with an HTML/JavaScript embed code. Make sure you copy this code fully, as this is what you'll paste onto your WordPress site. Now let's add the form to WordPress. Log into your WordPress dashboard. If you're creating a new page, go to Pages and then click Add New. If you prefer to add the form to an existing page, simply edit that page instead. When in the editor, you'll need to add a custom HTML block. You can find this in the block editor. Once you've added this block, paste the GetResponse embed code that you copied earlier directly into it. After pasting, it's time to publish or update your page, ensuring all your changes take effect. Finally, make sure to visit your page to verify that the form appears correctly. This step is important because you want to ensure everything looks just right and functions properly for your visitors. If it does, you've successfully created and integrated a GetResponse form into your WordPress site. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily create a GetResponse form page and seamlessly integrate it with WordPress, helping you gather those much-needed subscribers effectively. Thanks for watching and happy website building.